Hi, my name is Jane Chiu, and I'm the co-author of this book called Fat to Fit, Not a Fad. This book reveals the fat loss secrets that can help people to reverse type 2 diabetes. And I'm actually the living testament who had actually gone through this whole journey of natural healing myself. In my younger days, I thrived as an active sportswoman. However, the demand of my career and business led me down a sedentary path, resulting in weight gain and pre-diabetic condition. I tried many methods, low-carb diet, keto diet, intermittent fasting, and so on. But I have very good short-term success. But what happened after that? I became bigger than before. I was back to the fatty lady. So I realized I need to have a sustainable approach to reverse my health, to reverse my pre-diabetic condition. Beyond diets, I discovered the significance of understanding not just what to eat, but why and how. And also, there are many other factors such as quality of sleep, hydration, and exercises and movement are important components that help me in my journey of reversing my health. Today, I proudly wear the hat of health coach and advocate lifestyle change has the mean to reverse health. Together with Dr. Ng and Maggie Sid, my dietitian partner, we formed HEAL program with the aim to actually help 100,000 people to reverse diabetes. Join me in this movement, and together we will make a difference in our life.